I don't think white people voted for Trump. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Hold on before you leave. I know white people voted for Trump, but I don't think the number is as high as we're being told it is.
What if Vice President Kamala Harris had won? Like, what do you think would be going on right now? I say, first off, people would be figuring out a way to open up their own businesses, left and right, coast to coast. I think that Trump and his boys would be going ape shit, tearing up stuff, just for the fun of it, looking like hoodlums and thugs and savages, like they did before. Trump would still be on rallies. Food prices would go down. There would not have been that ad about Gaza from Trump. Home prices would drop. I wonder what the timeline would have looked like if she had won, or even if Hillary had won. If Hillary had won, we would have free healthcare.
This is something we actually need to talk about because I feel like lately I am on that side of TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. People are saying, apart from speculating what would have happened if Kamala Harris had won, people are saying that actually probably not so many white people voted for Trump. No, because why are we saying white people on the streets protesting against Trump? I find it very weird and fishy. But you know what? We're going to get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natskuna Esther. If you're new here, I welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about these speculations. Yes, we know white people voted Trump. But the question is, what if not as much white people as we think voted for Trump? Because it's the white people that are coming out on the internet that are crying. It's the white people that are in the streets that are protesting. It is the MAGA voters that are coming out and they're regretting. So who the hell voted for Trump? Could you guys be having an idea? Please let me know in the comment section, because this is becoming a conspiracy theory. But let's listen in.
I know white people voted for Trump, but I don't think the number is as high as we're being told it is. Most of these protests that are happening are white people leading it. Majority of them are white people in these protests. And it kind of validates something that I've been feeling for a while now. Like, even after Trump got elected, the shock on white people's face wasn't like, oh shit, I can't believe we did it. It was more of like, fuck, I can't believe we voted against him and it still didn't help. Like, it's as if they realize that they no longer have voting power, if that makes sense. And I always thought that was weird because I was like, didn't all you vote for him? But I don't think they did. I don't think that all white people voted for Trump. And I know I sound like, you know, hope core. Like, I just have all this hope and faith in white people. I don't. But I'm just saying, something about this feels off. It's white people saying like, no, we don't want this money in office. These protests, like majority of the people protesting the inauguration, they are white. They are white. They're not black. They're not Hispanic. They're not Asian. It's white people mostly out in these streets saying like, we actually didn't vote for him. Like, I don't think y'all understand. The class consciousness we're reaching is because I really think what set it off for white people is them realizing that their vote didn't mean shit. Like, for the first time in history, their vote, in American history, their vote doesn't mean shit. I think they genuinely voted, a lot of white people, a lot more than we think, voted for Kamala. And the fact that it still didn't help is what made them say like, wait, hold. But I'm white. Like, my vote is supposed to do something, you know?
I don't know if you guys remember the time Michelle Obama said these exact words. And I want you to keep in mind, this is a white woman who is reacting to this. Baffles me.
Believe me, if Donald Trump is president again, at some point or another, that ugliness will touch all of our lives. And it will not matter what you look like, how you worship, who you love, or how you vote. If you don't make 6 or 8 or 12 figures, if you're not famous, if you criticize or disagree with him in any way, if he doesn't view you as his equal or relevant to his ambitions, I promise you, he will not think about you when he gets into the Oval Office.
Do you guys remember when last year Kamala Harris warned that if Donald Trump won, we would enter a recession by the middle of this year? Yeah, it looks like we're ahead of schedule.
And it looks like we are having an outcry on the internet that is coming from white people that are not rich. They're asking themselves, what did we do to deserve this? They're asking themselves, who did we vote for? They're asking themselves, where do we go from here? What does life have for us? Because clearly, it's all about marketing Tesla in the White House. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. Who voted for Trump? No, because I am not a conspiracy theorist and I don't consume many of them. But like, if white people are the ones on the streets that are protesting against DJT, then who voted for Trump?
If you could vote in the US election, who would you vote for? Donald Trump or Kamala Harris?
Harris.
Trump.
Or Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris.
Kamala.
I think Kamala. I'll go Trump.
I think Kamala Harris.
Probably Harris.
I wouldn't vote for Trump anyway.
Definitely Kamala Harris.
Donald Trump.
Kamala.
Trump?
Neither. Is that an option? Because I genuinely would not vote for.
I'm voting for the first time this year. I'm so excited.
Frankly, I think Donald Trump is awesome.
If I could describe Donald Trump in one word, it would be strong.
I definitely respect the conservative values and Christian values of Republicans, and I am very pro-life. I actually spoke with Laura Trump earlier, and I got to take pictures with her.
I believe that everyone needs to go and buy more guns.
I'm going to remember, I'm going to tell my children, I'm going to tell my grandchildren about this moment.
Social policy, stuff regarding like abortion rights, I'm very pro-life.
I was raised Republican, came to that conclusion on my own. I am also a social conservative, believe in secure borders, low crime.
Kamala or Trump?
Kamala,
yes,
Kamala.
100%.
Kamala Harris.
Trump.
Trump?
100%, yeah.
Why Trump?
Okay, let's see.
Kamala.
Will you be voting this year?
Definitely not. Politics is fake. They're both two sides of the same coin.
I'm not really like tapped in like that with all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will you be voting this year?
Maybe.
Walls or Vans?
Oh, I don't want to.
Okay.